Okay, so for this video, I wanted to do some puffs, but I wanted to make it kids friendly. So I decided to do some strawberry puff, but it didn't turn out well. So here's what happened. I mixed all the ingredients together, and these were the ingredients. Well, as you may know, puffs are pretty simple, all right? And the ingredients for the original recipe includes 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, 2.5 teaspoons active dry yeast. Add warm milk till a soft dough is achieved, and then cover and let that rise for 1 hour. And then you mix to let out the air, and then you scoop it out and fry in hot oil. All right, but I decided to add strawberry milk to this one. And in adding the strawberry milk, 2 things I realized happened. Number 1, maybe I have added too much milk, because I also added milk as the original ingredient said. But the milk that I added, the strawberry milk that I added, was strawberry powdered milk. And yes, I also added some red coloring to get that pink look. Alright, so I wanted the strawberry flavor, so I used 1/4 cup of strawberry milk, strawberry flavored milk, but it didn't turn out well. So what I think happened was, because I'm in Jamaica, 1 hour was too long. In fact, half an hour might be too long as well, because of my environment. It's pretty hot, so I think I should have made it rise for only about 20 to 25 minutes and then fry. So number 1, I think it was overproofed, because I had let it rise for about 45 to 50 minutes. So it didn't go to the hour as the original recipe. But I also I think I also added too much milk, and then that caused the puffs to not keep their shape, because it needed a little more structure. Alright, so those are my honest assessments. So it's spoiled, and you will see exactly. I'll put the recipe that I used to make this below, but I also put the original recipe below. So if you want to make strawberry puffs, you can probably add your other ingredients as you wish. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video. It was one that I made a few mistakes, and if you have any questions, or if you have any comments, you can add them below. But I'll be trying this another time to see how I can adjust it to make the shapes come out better. I think what I don't like about this most is the shape. Well, for the most part, the shape hold, but somewhere along the way, there's a part of them that's kind of opening too much, like too much cracks. If it has 1 crack, that wouldn't be too bad, but too much cracks. Alright, so you'll see that while I'm frying and removing them from the oil. So that for me is a sign of it being overproofed, so it doesn't hold together properly. And I kind of wonder if I also added too much liquid, based on the amount of dried ingredients that was in it. Alright, but that's it for me. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. Like, subscribe if you will. Thank you.